On December 22, 2021, a man left his bicycle unattended for 30 seconds when a stranger quickly obtained it and rode away in La Crosse, Wisconsin. The incident was captured by local surveillance footage, and the thief was identified as 53-year-old Youssef Jalali. A few days later, police were advised of the location of Youssef. An officer discovered Youssef walking the streets, and he was approached about his outstanding criminal charges. Youssef denied he was facing any charges, then fled on foot.
Youssef, got some charges I gotta take care of with you.
What?
Yep.
I got a charge, man.
You do?
No.
Youssef, stop.
Yeah.
35 He's on second.
The officer caught up with him. However, he broke free and ran away 2 more times.
Stop. No, we'll get it. Put your hands on your back.
What's he doing? What are you doing, man?
I don't know what he said. Help you look. Stop. No. No. Look, who's this? Get it out! Get it out! Get it out!
Eventually, Youssef gave up on running and collapsed into a pile of bushes.
So you have charges.
What I do?
I told you have charges for your arrest.
For what?
For larceny, for stealing a bike last week.
I know he sent it to me. He sent it to me.
No, he did.
Yeah, he did. I don't know.
The report says otherwise.
No. Let me go, please. I didn't do this, sir. I didn't do nothing, sir. I swear.
We're running around circles. We're king in seconds still.
I swear.
But he wants to fight.
I swear I didn't do nothing. I swear. He sent it to me. He showed it to me.
He did.
Yeah, he did. I got witnesses.
Okay.
Why I don't jail?
You sold a $799 bike.
Who?
Get your hands out of your pocket.
Nothing. I got no weapons. Honest to God. I'm lying to you. No, let me go. My friend. I want to fight with you. Please. Please let me go. Talk to your friend. They do not do nothing with me, man.
So what happened with your bike?
They stole it from me.
Yeah?
Yeah. They stole it. They poisoned me. Before I eat, makes me sick. I'm tired. Please let me go, sir. Please.
I can't. You got charges that are pending. You got to go to jail.
For what?
I already told you.
Why don't I understand? He sold me like he's a dope dealer. I'm a good guy. He's the one who myself for him.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And who's the person that you bought the bike from?
White guy.
Who's him?
He was with me in jail. Old guy. He was with me in jail. I swear to God. I buy it from here. Come on, man.
35. They
won't do nothing with me, man. They do not want me. The police, they do not want me, sir.
They don't?
No.
They do.
The FBI want me. They want to kill me. No, please let me go.
I can't. You've got charges. You've already resisted once.
What? Come on, man. You don't do help.
Still 19th Street, just lost a second. There's tons of cars coming. What do you think's going to happen?
They're coming for me.
They are coming for you.
Why?
What do you mean, why?
What I do? Come on, man.
You're going to go to jail. There's all these cars coming. What do you think's going to happen?
All right, man. Let's put it down, please.
Put your hands on your back.
I am coming. I am coming, man. I swear to you, sir. I'm not running. I'm coming.
Put your hands on your back.
Go, man.
Call loud. I'm scared of you.
Yeah, I'm a poison. They're all my friends. You're trying to hurt me, man.
I told you what I was here for.
They tied me up. I'm tired now. They watch me all day when I'm walking back and forth. They poisoning me. They want to kill me.
Who wants to kill you?
The FBI. Now you guys.
Well, we don't want to hurt you, man.
Not you, sir.
I told you I had to go to jail.
Yusuf, you know me, man. We get along every time I talk to you.
Come on,
Youssef,
we just
me,
need to go
man.
to jail. It's not a big deal.
What I do, man? What I do? Do you remember that day? Because the bike I buy from him. He lied. They took my grocery.
They're already chasing you. Put your hands behind your back.
Please don't force on me.
We already did this.
I'm hurting.
Then turn around.
I'm hurting, please.
All right, just relax. Yusef. I appreciate you, Yusef. Thank you, man.
Please don't fucking take your hook, me.
72.
I never get home with you. You always try to push on me here. Hey, like I was tired, man. I'm tired, man. I have not been sticking on.
After searching Yusef's belongings, police discovered $1,000 worth of computer components that were stolen from a local business. He reportedly broke into the business on December 23rd and stayed overnight before leaving the following day.
I was like, go to the other side. Come on.
Hey, don't push on me, bro.
We're just trying to walk.
Yusef, knock it out.
You say,
Yusef, just relax, man. Search him.
Yeah. Get on.
Every time I talk to you, I get along.
I think they fucking everybody, man.
They got some pending charges for something. They got to read the report.
It's worth a $799 bike. Okay.
I don't see nothing.
They're chasing you and you won't stop for the men.
Because I'm still you, man. You know, no him. You don't play good with me, bro. He always playing left and left. I know you. I don't want you to have this to me like that. It's not right, yo.
You took off right in front of me right away. What's up?
Because I don't have nothing, man. I told you.
Well, it's protocol.
I don't have nothing. Stop fucking with me.
We have to do the same thing every time.
Do it for everybody.
Why don't you do that?
Because someone's the one that's pressing you.
Do it that's a bitch or something?
Yusef, we do this to everybody before you get in a squad car, man.
Fucking faggot.
Yusef, can you just stay that way for the seatbelt on you? You gotta do that first.
There's a delay off on the gas. Yeah, we're good.
You even have a water bottle or anything?
No, he was sitting there yelling, and I was just checking the area for him. And then I was like, we got some charges, we gotta take care of it. And he took off running over here.
All right.
Ran around in this building for a while, then ran over here. I'm like, where the fuck is everybody?
Yeah, I was way over by Mosey and the crossroads.
Yeah.
I was coming in the snow. I just didn't want to slide through the intersection. Did you admit to where the bike is?
No, he said that. Well, he said that he didn't. I didn't get that far. He said that it was sold to him. So, I of course not.
I'll go down there. I have a pretty good rapport with him.
Yeah, he hates me.
Yeah, I'll try to talk to him.
All right.
Did he hit you or something like that? Or?
No, we were running through here, and then he was trying to throw doors in my face, and I was chasing him through here. And then after we got out here in the open, I had him cut off there. So I'm like, I'll just fucking wait. Someone's coming.
Yeah.
And I wait for him. I'm like, nobody's fucking coming.
Sorry, man.
That's all right. All righty. Yeah.
I mean,
I tried to keep him within reach, and I tried to get him up against the wall once, and then I couldn't get him. So.
all right.
Hey, Yusef, man. Hey, I'm Jason. How you been, man? All right?
I'm all right.
Yeah? Okay. I'm just going to open this up here real quick. Stay in the car. I just want to chat with you. Actually, it's cold outside. I'll keep it shut.
What?
Can you hear me okay?
Yeah.
Okay. You remember me, right? I'm old school with you. Jason, right? So I want to ask you some questions, but what I have to do is just have to read your rights and stuff like that first, okay? Excuse me. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to consult with a lawyer before questioning and to have a lawyer present with you during questioning. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you at public expense before or during questioning if you so choose. If you decide to answer questions now without a lawyer present, you have the right to stop the questioning and remain silent at any time you wish, and the right to ask for and have a lawyer at any time you wish, including during the questioning. Do you understand each of these rights I read to you, Yusef?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Have these rights in mind? Do you wish to speak with me right now?
Yeah, well, what are you risking for?
There was 3 different cameras that have you on camera getting on bike, chasing you, telling you to stop.
Yeah. I don't steal it. I take it from his hand because I buy it from him.
Oh, you bought it from him?
Yes.
Okay, where is the bike so I can get it?
I don't know, it's gone, bro. Somebody stole it from me.
Yeah? Okay.
Yeah, I'm homeless, man. I did stuff here, they took it.
Okay. All right, man. Well, you are being charged with that theft today, okay? And then another officer on that day told you to stop, which you failed to do as well, so you're charged with obstructing from that as well.
Come on, man.
And then obstructing from today probably as well, I would think Officer Rollins will charge. And then there's some bail jumpings too, okay? All right. I appreciate you being cool and talking with me, but it doesn't sound like things went as smooth before I got here.
No, I don't do nothing wrong, man. Look, bro. Look, I'm telling you, bro. Look.
What's up?
The whole town gives to me. Everybody gives to me.
Okay.
It's the guy.
Okay.
I need to only hear it, but that's just my story is true. So thank you.
All right. Sounds good. Well, thanks for talking with me, Yusef. Yeah, the video just shows it a little differently.
No,
that's all.
I take the bike from his hand.
I think he'll be all right, but he was fighting with Rollins down there. So.
Yusef faces felony charges of burglary and bail jumping, 2 counts, and misdemeanor charges of resisting an officer and theft. Yusef currently has 6 open cases and missed 6 court appearances in the last 18 months. His cash bail was set at $5,000. On March 8, 2022, police responded to a local convenience store after receiving a retail theft complaint in La Crosse, Wisconsin. The 37-year-old male, Edward Bobnar, had stolen food items and consumed them in the store's bathroom without paying. Once he was caught, Edward made his way to the exit and decided he might as well get cigarettes and a lighter. After he fled the store on foot, officers were able to make contact with Edward. He had a no-contact order in place for the Quick Trip convenience store and was already out on 2 bonds.
Yeah, you consider it steal, so I took 5 cigarettes. So I was well, huh? If you were stealing, she was yelling at me. I'll deal with that. Ed, what's going on? The lady grabbed me. She tried to take this from me. She was yelling at me. Where's the cigarettes that you took? And what else did you take? Everything's still in the bathroom stall. That's not telling that. Ed, what's your last name again? Bobner. I got my ID right here. Bobner. I was like, sure, grab my shit from me. Well, we're gonna get this figured out, but you can't just take off. You can't. Where are the cigarettes that you took? Yeah, everything's in the bathroom stall. When I was in there, I went in the bathroom and she's like, bathroom check. Yeah, I'm in here. Everything's in here. Like, you want to slide on the door? I said, touch it until I wash my hands. Why'd you leave everything in the bathroom? This is yelling at it. Get the company that could finish taking shit. So why do you have food all over the side of your face? Oh, yeah. They're fine for now. Yeah. Let's just grab it out of you like that. Okay. Well, don't have video and stuff. Is there anything else that you took? No, everything's in the bathroom stall. Literally, like, I got so bad, I was like, take her out. And, like, I didn't want to leave and stuff like that because everything's in the bathroom stall. She kept following me, and, like, I mean, it's in the bathroom stall, you know what I'm saying? Like, okay. Unless you got food and stuff on the side of your face, so that seems a little weird. You have your ID on you? We gotta run out of your information. Ed, where have you been? Haven't seen you in a while. Oh, I got the book, too. What's that? Got the book. Oh.
Mr. Bobner, what's the reason for your thefts today?
I was gonna pay for it until she started grabbing this out of my hand.
But you went in the bathroom and already ate it.
No, I didn't.
Yeah.
Ate what?
Multiple things on the... and how common is it for somebody to go behind the cash register and grab cigarettes and a lighter?
I wasn't going to, and then I got mad.
Well, that was all... Okay, there's no reason to get mad at her for stealing yourself.
I was like, she was yelling at me, and she was like, where's the stuff at? And then, like, she grabbed my stuff, and, like, I don't harass.
Well, there's no harassment when you're stealing from the property.
I didn't leave the store with that. When somebody
Are you supposed to be in there?
When somebody grabs you, like, I just feel that way, you know what I'm saying? Like,
Okay, well, I'll take a look at the video.
Yeah. But you're also on bond not to be on your properties. Not this one, all of them.
Any Quick Trip?
Yes, all of them.
So you're going to be taken into custody. I need you to put your cigarette out. Go ahead and stand up for me, please.
Actually, just stay sitting down. We'll just put the handcuffs in here. Okay.
Copy, 272.
No, you're right.
Stand up. Ed, knock it off.
When officers placed Edward under arrest, he became resistive and non-compliant.
Yeah, well, after we get the handcuffs on.
Go ahead and stand up for us.
Stop it.
You're going to stop resisting. Okay? That's only going to make the matters worse for you.
Don't add more charges. He's above me! Ed, stop, Ed.
While they were searching him, Edward kicked one of the officers in the chest.
There goes a pipe.
Ed,
Stop resisting. 58, we'll take another car. Ouch. Stop. We'll take another car, please. Stop. Then stop. Then relax. Then relax. Keep scaring me. I'm not even touching you. Ouch. God damn it. Take him to the ground, please.
why don't you move off the back?
No, he's kneeing me.
Yep, I got him from the side here. Why don't you move back, Terry? We'll hold him until the third one.
Because he's
comes here.
kicking.
Yeah,
I'm not going to let him
on the
go.
ground.
Yeah, well, I'm not going to let him go.
Relax, slow down. I'm cranking on my wrist.
And nobody's cranking on your wrist. I have zero compliant or pressure on it.
Why are you fucking Terry, why don't you step off? Me and him got this until the other officer
He's
gets here.
fine. I'm not going to let his legs go.
Okay.
That was my face, dude. Now he's been charged with a felony. He just kicked me in the face.
That's a bullshit. Run for the fucking foot guy. That's what I see you, yeah? That's a natural.
My foot is in the air!
You're kicking me, dude. I'm not.
Hands up. See it, hands up? Okay. Copy.
Let's take my right ankle. Watch what happens.
Stuff in these pockets. We want to, how do we want to do this?
Put him down and let's go to the spot. Ed, you're kicking.
I'm not kicking my leg. I've been down the whole time. No, I just come out this something like that.
I'm kicking nobody.
Copy.
Yeah, get your feet in there, kiddo. There you go. Yes, watch your shoulder now. Don't be spitting my damn squad. Ed, you gotta get your elbow in.
I'm taking my wrist too.
You in alright? Alright.
Terry, you all right?
Yeah, I'm good.
You got a bunch of stuff on your back left side.
Yeah, it's milk.
There's a...
It was a pipe. Huh? Yeah, he spit.
I'm grabbing my gloves on.
There's one recorded here. I go. If it broke some part of it, that pipe.
Yeah.
He needs to be
That's one of the
searched
things that he
again.
stole.
Yeah, he stole a bunch of
And then
stuff.
cigarettes too, apparently.
Yeah, so
Yeah, cigarettes, lighter.
Somebody want to follow? Eddie, you want to follow Josh down right now?
Edward had stolen cheese stuffed spuds, strawberry milk, cotton candy soda, Hostess Zinger, chocolate chip muffin, pack of Camel 99 blue filters, Bic lighter, and a sausage egg croissant. The total loss to the Quick Trip was $24.90, including taxes.
Hey, Frank, I didn't pull away. I stood up straight. What are you talking about? As soon as you were trying to put the handcuffs on, you're trying to pull away. Then when he stood you up, you're kicking the milk around, you're kicking stuff around, you're pulling away, you're carrying on. Come on, man. I mean, if you would have complied from the start, none of this would have happened. You won't have to worry about any of this. But every single time, you want to fight.
I'm going to go get a partner today. I'm going to get my bank card today.
But you started the day by stealing.
I have no fucking money.
Well, you can't justify some things and not justify other things. I mean, come on, man.
Motherfuckers in the head. Come on, man. I can never take nobody in the head. I'm fucking doing. Shit, man. Nobody man in life want to walk life.
2 days prior to this incident, he had also stolen cigarettes from another Quick Trip in the area.
All right, listen to these guys and do what they say. Calm them down a little bit, but I don't know. My radio was turned down a little bit. So he's calmed down a little bit. I mean, he is in handcuffs. We'll have to start over, but I guess everybody knows that a little bit. Yeah. So up and down. Doesn't seem like he's robo tripping, but yeah. We didn't get a good search on him.
Edward was charged with battery to a police officer, resisting causing injury, 2 counts of misdemeanor retail theft, 2 counts of disorderly conduct, felony bail jumping, and misdemeanor bail jumping. His bond was set at $2,500. Do you enjoy our content for all your support?